Hello and welcome to the Poor Man's Cooking Show. I am your host, and today we're cooking a simple and delicious meal called spaghetti carbonara. You will need 1 packet of pancetta, 4 sausages, 1/2 a packet of spaghetti, and 430 grams of carbonara sauce. This was a very quick and easy meal to make. It took me around 20 minutes and it makes up to 3 servings, so plenty of leftovers. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I look forward to teaching you more delicious meals. Until next time.